In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract the first name from an email address in Excel. We'll be working with a very common email format, where the first name and last name are separated by a period followed by the domain. A typical example would look like john.smith@example.com. When your email addresses follow this structure, Excel can quickly pull out just the first name using a simple formula. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and locate the list of email addresses you want to work with. For this example, imagine you have email addresses entered in a column, such as johnsmith@example.com, sarahjones@example.com, and mikebrown@example.com. The goal is to extract only the first name from each one and place it in a separate column. The reason this works is because the first name appears before the first period in the email address. So all we need Excel to do is find that first period and return everything to the left of it. If the email address is in cell A2, enter this formula into the cell where you want the first name to appear. Equals left, open parenthesis, A2, comma, find, open parenthesis, quotation mark, period, quotation mark, comma, A2, close parenthesis, -1, close parenthesis. Written normally, the formula is left, A2, find, A2, 1. Here's what the formula is doing. The find function looks inside cell A2 and locates the position of the first period. Then the left function returns all the characters from the beginning of the email address up to the character just before that period. The -1 is important because it prevents the period itself from being included in the result. Once you press enter, Excel will return the first name. So if A2 contains john.smith@example.com, the result will be John. If the next row contains sarah.jones@example.com, the result will be Sarah. And if another row contains mike.brown@example.com, the result will be Mike. After confirming the formula works correctly, you can copy it down the column to apply it to the rest of your email list. This is especially helpful when you're working with a large data set and need a fast, consistent way to separate first names. Just keep in mind that this method works best when all email addresses follow the same pattern, with the first name appearing before the first period. If the format changes, the result may not be accurate. That's how to extract the first name from an email address in Excel quickly and efficiently. And